sila dito? Eh bakit ang episode 1 lang ako? Oh well, pero siguro talagang buhay. Goodbye, guys.
What the fuck are you doing, miss?
Nasa langit na ba ako? Pero bakit nagmumura yung Angel?
Miss, open your eyes. Can't you fucking hear me?